With the successful passage of the new Consumer Protection Bill 2023, consumers of goods and services on St. Kitts and Nevis will have strong legal frameworks to protect themselves and their rights. The bill was originally read in the National Assembly on 18 September 2023, spearheaded by Dr. Denzel Douglas, Minister with responsibility for consumer affairs. The new legislation replaces the Consumer Affairs Act of 2003 and, among other matters, provides for the promotion and protection of consumer interests in relation to the supply of goods and the provision of services. The legislation now gives officers of the Consumer Affairs Department substantial legislative authority to effect their work and will allow for the establishment of a Consumer Protection Board. The Minister explains more about this board.
The Consumer Protection Board will be established according to this piece of legislation, and its functions will include the conducting of investigations on behalf of consumers adversely affected in relation to the sale of goods or provision of services in order to determine whether they were sold or provided in contravention of this act. So that is why I said that one of the important pieces that was missing from the previous bill or law was that it did not act as a quasi-judicial body. This today is different. It will act as a judicial body by way of the Consumer Protection Board being properly put in place.
The new legislation also works in harmony with requirements of the Caribbean community and of the OECS. Glenn Bart reporting for SK Newsline.